Hello, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Dublin, Ohio to see field of corn with orange Osage trees. So let's go and check it out. Field of Corn with Orange and Osage Trees is an art installation here in Dublin that was put up in 1994. At the time, from my understanding is the local community did not like this installation. It's just a bunch of white corn and a few trees. However, over time, the community, I guess, has come to embrace this project and this installation, and it is a popular roadside attraction as well as a place to come to get wedding photographs and things like that. While this installation, it is fun to kind of walk around and make a stop off, this piece of art actually has a strong message to it. At one time, this area was just fields and trees, and then it just became farm fields, and now those fields are mostly all gone and there is nothing but development all around. And the white nature, the white corn cobs, they represent the blandness of suburbia that is encroached upon our agricultural heritage. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either buy me a coffee or Patreon and making a donation or becoming a member there. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.